CatSynth TV.
Hey everybody, CatSynth TV, and today we are looking at Wires, a plugin by AudioThing that reimagines a 1970s Soviet-era wire recorder. But first, please do subscribe to this channel for more cultural content coming out regularly, and please do consider supporting us via Patreon or Ko-Fi, links in the description below. Wire recorders were an analog recording technology in which sound was recorded by magnetizing a thin wire. Invented by Voldemar Poulsen in 1898, wire recorders were used widely in the early part of the 20th century in commercial and government settings, as well as by hobbyists. They were replaced by magnetic tape starting in the 1950s, but some continued to find use as flight recorders or in clandestine operations. Indeed, this is the origin of the term wearing a wire. The MN61 was such a device, used by the military in the Soviet Union for airplane recorders as well as for intelligence gathering and police operations. An East German version of this recorder was used as the basis for the Wires plugin. Wires recreates the look and feel of the MN61, as well as the sound of both the device and the magnetic wires. There are a variety of controls for the quality of the wire and playback, including wow and flutter, drops, clicks, and a tilt EQ. You can hear a bit of what these parameters do to the sound of my voice. Let's try a bit of this with some musical sources. There are also options to change the playback speed and to toggle modeling of the original microphone and speaker. There are also controls to add hiss and motor noise. These can be constant or envelope controlled based on sound input. Let's turn each of them up a bit. Now switch to envelope mode. You can hear that the noise comes in and out with each note. Okay, let's turn these down a bit and turn our attention to the echo section. There are controls for the amount of feedback and delay time, including tempo track delay. These controls are familiar to anyone who has used tape delay, and they behave in a similar manner. But the sound of the echo effect is quite different with wires. Here's what it sounds like with very low delay values. A comb filter effect, but with its own unique ringing timbre. Let's try a few more musical examples from different sources. hope you have enjoyed this brief look at wires and have some ideas on how you can use it in your own music. To find out more, please visit audiothing.net and check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching. Check out more at www.catsynth.com and please subscribe to CatSynth TV.